Put your pants down. No, man. Paying it, dum-dum. It's already recording, so don't fuck it up. Just hold it.
Look, it's Jared.
Yeah, it is. If you lose that thing, you owe me a new one.
Alright. Dang. Oh shoot. Dang, dude. Damn, dude. Dang, bro. Hell yeah, dude. What else is he gonna do? Oh my god, dude. Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? Need to go inside. A little messed up.
There's the bird out right here.
You bet. So this has an SD card that you can take out. Testing. Yeah, what's going on, dudes? So, I'm sitting here outside on my back porch. I'm using the GoPro because I didn't want to use my phone camera because it's not as good quality, I guess, if that's what you wanna call it. Really kind of sucks, but yeah, it's really cool actually. I got you on the app right there. So yeah. Whoa. Fuck out of here. That freaking ladybug freaked me the hell out. I'm still kind of stoned, but not really. It's going down. So yeah, this was just a test video or something, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So catch y'all later, dudes. Catch you later.
Triangle and go get the cars.
Where do we gotta go?
Hello. Oh boy, well, it's gonna be a hot one today.
Yes, it is.
Golly.
Humid.
Yes, terribly.
Starting to get humid anyway.
Oh, that sucks.
There you go.
I don't have any change, so thank you so much. Now he's got a couple other things to fix, and he'll be
I know his leaf springs are broke on it. Yeah.
Yep.
He knows about that. One thing at a time.
Oh yeah. Yep.
What would you would you do the leaf springs?
Yeah, I'll change them. Yeah, it's
How hard?
well, it's just according how easy the boats come out.
Yeah, that's
a lot of times
true.
the boats don't come out.
Them things
Yeah,
are probably
but,
rusted in there.
Then you got if you buy new springs, a lot of the new springs come with new boats.
Yeah.
So.
What do the springs usually run? Do you know? Oh, that
he
might
does,
help.
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, he just had to call the parts.
Maybe we can check into it and then we'll get back with you because I know he wants that fixed too because we have a camper and we've been pulling it with our car.
Yeah.
It sits like this.
Yeah. Where you go camping at?
Just out at Old Mill.
Old Mill.
Yeah. We don't go too far right now.
Right. What's the lot rent out there? Or you just go for the weekends or something?
Sometimes for the weekend, you
Yeah.
know. They charge like $225 a week. You want to pay by the week.
Right.
It's ridiculous. And that's like $1,600 for the year.
For the
I
year,
think.
yeah.
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 Yeah, or more than that.
Yeah, it probably went up
More
again.
than that. Yeah, I think it did.
Well, then we
We
gotta.
pay $800 a year where we're at Sugar Mill Lake. On
Really?
the
That's
other side
it.
property.
Yeah, we've been to Sugar Mill.
I leave
Oh.
mine there all the time.
Oh yeah, I like it over there.
He's got one down there too.
His sister and all his family, they're all out of Broadview.
Yeah. Yeah, we used to be at Broadview years ago, and it cost me $350 a year.
That's not bad.
Yeah, but that's
It's like
been years ago.
$1,400 now. Yeah, I think that's
Yeah.
what they pay. So,
Yeah.
all right. Well, yeah, I'll have him check into that because I know he wants it fixed. So,
Okay,
get with you and see what we can get figured out.
that'll work. That'll work.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Can I have one of your cards? Because I never can find your phone number. I tried to find it and couldn't remember where it was. Because I had it wrote down once and I think I tossed it on accident.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right.
Two.
Hayden's calling me.
Well, he's probably still in school though, ain't he?
Hello? What?
I wanted him to fucking follow me to
What, that he's queer?
Triangle.
You're what? Huh. Well, hope y'all know this is on a record. This is all being recorded on a fucking GoPro. I know, I'm picking my dad's truck up. You stop smoking Peters. Well, gotta go. See you, fag.
Forgot to tell you about that.
Huh?
God damn it. I
What?
told Poppy that I wanted him to follow me over to fucking Triangle because I was dropping the car off.
Dropping the car off.
God damn it. I'm dropping this off and getting the car. I'm going to walk.
Oh well.
Fuck, man.
Hopefully this drives good.
What's that idiot wanting?
I don't know.
Unless you guys were going to some... But you ain't even going.
Nope, just go to school.
It's not starting. What the fuck's the deal? It's not starting.
There you go.
Son of a bitch. Fuck, I don't want to walk back to the house.
Not that far of a walk.
I don't care. I was asking about the gas leak.
walk back to the house. It's right down the road. Does some crazy wide angles.
I hope you ain't recording me. I don't want recorded. On your side? Can you look out and see?
Up your side.
Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my fucking god. God damn. It's tight. Motherfucker's tight as hell.